Hello, this is Brenda Boyan, and this is Brenda Boyan. Check this out. Now today I'm going to show you how to unstop your garbage disposal. This is very, very easy. First, you make sure the garbage disposal is off. You make sure the garbage disposal is off, and you make sure the garbage disposal is off. Then you look inside the garbage disposal. You might need a flashlight to do that. If there's something right on the top, like a wash rag or a sponge or a fork, then you take your tongs, not your hands. You take your tongs and you reach in and you pull it out. Do not fight with anything that's caught up in the blades. Okay? If that's not the problem, or if there is something like a wash rag or something that's caught in there that's caught in the blades, your garbage disposal has perfectly strong enough blades to grind up peach pits or the coffee grounds that are impacted under there and everything. It's the motor that's not strong enough. So you take a broom or a mop like this, and you put it right down in the middle of the blades. Like I said, they're perfectly strong, and you turn it clockwise. You press down kind of medium hard. If it's not turning right at first, then press a little bit harder, and it'll turn almost immediately. It'll break free whatever's almost immediately in there. Okay? There you go. Okay? If it was a washcloth or something that was caught under there, and now it's broken free, then you can just pull it out, but don't fight with anything in the blades. But if it's a peach pit or whatever's under there, it will grind it up when you turn like that. Okay? Then you take the broom out. You would be surprised how many people I've seen, and I've only seen a few people do this, and of them, many people of those few people have left the broom in when they went to turn on the switch. So don't do that, okay? Make sure it's off, make sure it's off, make sure it's off. Take out the broom and then turn it on, okay? It should work. But if it makes no sound at all, not even the gurring or anything, you have to reset it. This is really easy. You just go underneath your sink and go underneath the garbage disposal unit and reach around. It's probably right in the middle, but it'll be the only thing on the bottom of the garbage disposal unit, and there'll be a button. It'll be a little red button, but you won't be under there, so you won't be seeing it. You find this button and you click it. Sometimes it's a little loose and you have to push it a couple times before it clicks, but you click it and then it'll be fine. Then you check your garbage disposal and it'll work. Now, if I've saved you money or at least waiting for a plumber if you live in an apartment for this, then please at least like, if not subscribe. Now, what are the 5 most important things to remember? Do not put your hands down the garbage disposal. Make sure it's off, make sure it's off, make sure it's off. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.